It's fucking hot outside. Also, shout out to Jordan and Supreme for the new gym bag. It's actually pretty good. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Thomas, and today I'm doing a little Palace Winter 2024 unbagging, unboxing experience for your viewing pleasure. Got a couple 3 items in here, and I can't wait to get into them, so let's do just that. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys to please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the noty bell so you can stay up to date every single time I post and go live. I've been going live every single Thursday for Supreme and for Palace. The live streams are pretty lit, so get in there, get involved, join the community, and have some fun on our way to 5K subs, so every subscription counts. We also have memberships available on the channel. Goal is 10 members by the end of the year. If you want exclusive chat icons, potential early content, and exclusive access to giveaways, then consider becoming a member for only $2.99 a month. I mean, that's like cheaper than a cup of coffee these days. Jesus Christ, am I right? Anyway, with all that out of the way, let's get into the main portion of the video, which is me failing to open up this bag correctly with my paws, but we're gonna do it regardless. Not too bad, huh? Let's see what we got from Palace. We'll do this one item at a time. Right here is the Palace Avirex beanie, which is very cool. It's Avirex. You know, people in the comments correct me. I failed to retain any kind of information for a considerable period of time, so I'm gonna call it Avirex for now. But there it is, very nice quality beanie. This is the 9 cuff or the no cuff beanie. So you put it right over your head, and there you go. It's the tan colorway, big A on the front, Palace on the back. I mean, for 42 bucks, not a bad beanie. And as you guys know, second half of the unboxing, it's always up close and personal. You know how we do it around here. So if you didn't get all the looks the first time around, we'll stick around to the end. Next up, we have my order confirmation. That is anticlimactic. Next up, it's the same beanie. Look at that, but it's a different colorway. This one is the black Avirex beanie, which I think looks maybe a little bit better. What do you guys think? Put it down in the comments down below. Which one would you rather rock? Is it the white or the black one? I sold one of these on StockX for like 80 bucks. So beanie resale? It's kind of lit. Double your money. But which one you like more? Let me know. All right, one final item. The grand poobah of week number 1 of winter 24. I called it the best sweater since sliced bread. It is the Welsh hairy knit sweater. The hairy flag knit. Yes, it's a very hairy, extremely warm, cozy flag for all you Welsh fans out there, all you Welsh people in your cool dragon flag speaking your bastardized version of English. I think that's what you speak over there. I'm not too sure, but shout out to Welsh people. The sound of not getting a sticker from your favorite clothing brands is one of the most painful experiences, I think, in modern society. So press F to pay respects for no Palace sticker. I will say Palace stickers, they're way worse than Supreme stickers. I've said it, flame me all you want. Supreme does stickers better, even if they do gyp you just as much. Oh my God. It feels like a baby sheep. Like I feel like you could take a lint roller to this and just turn it into nothing, but look at this guy. Holy crap. The Welsh flag. We gotta get up close and personal with this one, guys. Let's bring it in, huddle up, let's talk about the game plan, and look at this freaking sweater, and I guess the 2 beanies as well. Bam. Just like that. You got the big Welsh flag with the, I think it's an off-white. It might just be white in the flag, but it's a little cream colored here. But Palace on the inside, large. I love that the interior has the same colors in this patterned knit. I think this thing was only like 200 bucks, maybe less, but great deal in all honesty. It might have been like 178, whatever it was. It was the best piece dropping that week. We copped it manually, which you'll love to see that. You got Palace in this very nice, elegant tag. New York, Tokyo, London, Los Angeles, and Seoul. Established in 2009, of course. But yeah, I think the overall vibe of this sweater is just incredible. I love the colors. They did it for Jamaica. They did it for South Korea. They did it for the UK. Did they do it for Japan? I'm not sure. But the Welsh one was the best, for sure. I think they could definitely pull off an American flag one, but I like that they went with countries like Wales. Just interesting, and the logo of their flag is just amazing. I love the dragon. Who doesn't love a good dragon? An elegant Old English style. But there you go. Let's take a look at the back. They discontinued the design with the split green and white. Sans dragon, of course. But there you go with the Wales hairy knit sweater. Yeah. And then, of course, we get the Averex beanies, the black edition, and the creamy natural edition, whatever you want to call it. Very nice material here. Nothing as crazy as the hairy knit, but we have just a classic cotton beanie. Looks very comfortable, very warm indeed. I like the Palace font right there. The big A for Averex, however you say it. I like the colors. Again, which one do you guys like more? That is gonna do it for this video, guys. What was your favorite cop? Are you going with the black 9-cuff Averex beanie? Are you rocking with the natural tan off-white Averex Palace collaboration beanie? Or are you a real enjoyer of the Welsh culture and you're going with the hairy knit sweater? Let me know each and everything in the comments down below. Again, it's been your boy Thomas, and I'm out. Peace.